That didn't take long. Probably a minute. Ran this up the side of the board, and I don't know if you can see that because of the sunlight shadow. Nice pretty reveal right here, but as you can see everywhere there's a knot. See, that wood is really tight and hard right there, and I had trouble, especially there. That one really messed up. I had to go over it a couple times, and you can actually see the line's a little crooked there because I'm having trouble getting into it, but right straight down the line. That one notched out actually a little bit, which I'll fill that in with putty. I did the corner too, just in case I need a corner. I think I do in one or two places. And so I bought these boards, right? Those windows, the window sills are like 52 inches, so I couldn't get 48-inch pieces. This is a 10-foot piece, so I could do half of it, half at a time, cut it in half, and still have room left over. So let me unhook this so I can show you exactly how that worked. You can see that. Excuse me. And that little ball bearing just runs along the edge there while the cutter's doing its thing. And like I said, this thing, they run at tens of thousands of RPMs, like 20 or 30,000, I'm not sure what they are. Really fast, really powerful, and you need to really respect the power of these things, because they'll throw you. You have to hold them really tightly. They'll throw you, they'll try to jump out of your hands, and you could get cut very easily with them. So if you aren't careful, you're going to get hurt. If you aren't familiar, you need to practice a lot. Cut a little bit at a time, and then cut a little bit more. You try doing a whole run at one time. The more wood you're cutting, the more pressure's on this bit and this motor, and the quicker it's going to yank out of your hand. So make a couple passes and take a little bit out at a time, and you'll be okay. Clamp the board down really tight too. I have to turn this around and do the other side, and I'll show you what I do next.